What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to paste text in your Google Docs document without formatting. Now right here you can see I have a text here, right? And it has a bunch of formatting here to it, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply go ahead and highlight it. You can simply click at one part of the document and drag all over it to highlight the text. Or you can just simply click anywhere and press Ctrl and A on your keyboard and then press Ctrl and C, and that will go ahead and copy the text. Right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up a new document, right? So I'm going to click on File here and I'm going to simply click on New and click on New Document, open a new window, right? So now I have a blank window. Now, if I go ahead and I press Ctrl and V, you see that the document actually pastes with the same formatting, but Control Z to, let's say, get that away. In order to paste this without the formatting, you can go ahead and you can just right click on the document and you will see the option that says paste without formatting. And it also said Control Shift and V, right? So once you do Control Shift and V on your keyboard, it will automatically paste the text without any formatting for you, right? Let me go ahead and Control Z there, or if you simply use the option here by right click with your mouse on the blank document and just simply press this option that says paste without formatting, it will do the same and paste it without any formatting. So let's go ahead and compare both documents. This is the one with the formatting and this is the one without the formatting. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.